We got another fast take for you 67 to 72 Chevy C10 owners. If you still have that factory power steering, it's definitely time to ditch it and modernize it a little bit. Now, Classic Performance Products has an awesome kit here for all of you guys that have a small block in your 67 to 72 C10. This kit is going to work out perfect for you. It's going to modernize your steering, make it more comfortable, make you more confident in it because it's not going to be loose and sloppy. It's going to be nice and tight and feel more like a modern car. This kit is going to include a new 500 series power steering gearbox, a new power steering pump with a reservoir, a rag joint, a pump and a gearbox mounting bracket, hose kit, and all the required mounting hardware to be able to put it in your truck. You can modernize your vintage pickup truck without having to break the bank or deal with a difficult install process by installing this power steering conversion kit.